guys, today I'm going to show you another magic trick. It's the amazing floating paper. Well, you want to learn the secret? Well, the secret is pen. Simply what you do, crumple up a piece of paper, this, crumple it up, and then what you do is you stick a pen into the thing, secure it, don't expose the tip, you start lifting it like this, and just show you from the back. This is the view. What you simply do is you start lifting the pen up from here, causing this paper to float. Simply just by, doing a movement with your hand. And yeah, so you simply just do that, and you have to show it from the front, don't expose it from the sides, up or down, straight and up to their face. And that is the pen and paper magic trick.